Come gather round, Miss Martha's got a story. Can't wait to hear where it all might take us this time. Everyone knows that treasure lies inside these pages. We wanna be
hanging out with stories.
Everybody wants to be there when Miss Martha reads.
Support comes from Norfolk Collegiate, providing a foundation for students pre-K to 5th grade, where innovative, student-driven farm-to-table initiatives, engaging experiences, and daily in-person instruction are just the beginning. More at norfolkcollegiate.org.
Oh, hello, friends. Welcome to Miss Martha Reed's Story Time. I want to thank you so much for joining me today as I share another awesome story. I'm so sorry I didn't see you because I was reading. Do you like to read? I sure hope so because I love reading. And you know what? Today's story is all about reading. And it is titled, Nature Helps Timmy to Read. It was written by Josiah Williams, a 4th grader from Chesapeake, Virginia. Let's put on our good listening ears. Click, click, so that we can find out about this story. Once, there was a little mouse named Timmy. His home was a suitcase in an attic filled with soft blankets and furniture made from food cartons. Timmy was 8 years old, and he loved school and nature. Now, Timmy goes to Huckleberry School and is starting the 3rd grade. He's nervous because he loves to read, but doesn't read very well. His mice friends make fun of him, and it hurts his feelings. Timmy walked into his classroom. He was nervous. There were a lot of mice in his class. The teacher looked very pretty, and she said, "Hello, I am Miss Blueberry, your teacher. Today, we'll be reading a book. I will pass it around and everyone will take a turn reading out loud." Miss Blueberry took out the book and Timmy was anxious. Sydney, a mouse with a pink bow, started reading, and she was a great reader. Next came Jack. He was great too. Timmy was next. His tummy started to feel queasy and his legs started to shake. Jack handed the book to Timmy. He stared at the book and tried his best to read. Timmy started to read, but the words seemed so difficult. His words came out cluttered, and some mice giggled. Timmy turned red and stared at the book, not wanting to look up. Miss Blueberry said, "Silence, everyone. That's okay, Timmy. You can pass the book now. Timmy slowly passed the book to the next mouse. Timmy felt sad. What he didn't know was that Miss Blueberry had an idea to help him. Miss Blueberry knew how much Timmy loved nature. During recess, Miss Blueberry took him through the tube in the attic leading outside. See the big tree? Let's start there, Miss Blueberry said. Once outside, Timmy felt calm. He heard birds chirping and felt the beautiful sunshine. He was happy. They walked to the tree. Miss Blueberry said, "Put your hand on the tree and let's slowly say the sound. Let's say the sound that we hear in the word tree. E. Timmy said slowly. Great. Now try the word sun. Miss Blueberry said, let's practice like this all recess. Every day, Miss Blueberry found new ways to use nature to teach Timmy how to read. They used books about trees and animals and flowers. Timmy loved learning about nature and learning to read better. One weekend, Miss Blueberry sent Timmy a gift. He got it in the mailbox. It was a nature book. Timmy was so excited. And on the inside of the cover, Miss Blueberry had written a note that said, "Dear Timmy, remember, reading is nature. Never give up. Your teacher, Miss Blueberry." The book had all the things about nature that Timmy loved. Timmy was grateful for such a great teacher, nature, and reading. The end. Oh, I love it. I am always so excited to know about people who maybe wasn't good at something at first, but then they practiced and got better. I always say, if at first you don't succeed, try again. Now, Timmy couldn't read well, but with practice, he got better and better, and he practiced every day. Now, let's see what Timmy has to say about all this. Hi, Timmy. Hello. Hi, friends. How are you doing today? I just want you to know that if you practice your reading every single day to exercise your brain, you can be the best reader that you can be. Wow, Timmy. That's what I'm always saying to my friends out there. I say that to them every week. I couldn't have said that better myself. Thank you so much for that good advice. You're welcome. Well, goodbye, Timmy. And thanks again. I'm so glad that you are reading better. I am too. Goodbye. Wow. Well, friends, let's see. I challenge all of you to take some time every day to practice your reading. And I know that if you're a good reader, you will become a better reader. And if you're having a hard time, you will get better and better. Well, friends, that's all I have for you today. But before I go, you know I always have to remind you to practice, practice, practice your reading every single day to exercise your brain, because I want you to be the best reader that you can be. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope that I'll see you the next time. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Support comes from Norfolk Collegiate, making your child's educational experience a great one through student-driven initiatives, unique spaces, and daily in-person instruction. More at norfolkcollegiate.org. It's the school with the hens.